Hi guys, it's Zoe here. So today's video is all about digestive health. It's no exaggeration to say that looking after your digestive health is pretty much the most impactful thing you can do in terms of looking after your overall health. And I'm going to explain today a little bit about why that is. So firstly, obviously everything that we eat has to be broken down by our digestive tract so that we can actually assimilate the nutrients in it to fuel our energy, our growth, and our cellular repair. The digestive tract also processes and removes potentially harmful waste products from our system. So obviously right there you've got two really important functions. But there's much more to the digestive tract than just this. Another really important function is our digestive tract is the home of our enteric nervous system. Now that's just a fancy way of saying our gut has a second brain in it. So it has a nervous system all of its own that can function completely with autonomy from our central nervous system, or it can actually work in conjunction with our central nervous system. So basically what that means is it sends messages to our brain, and our brain sends messages to our gut, so they're constantly in communication with one another. And it's one of the ways by which stress can manifest in our guts. You know, everyone talks about feeling butterflies in their stomach when they're nervous, or having a gut feeling, like an intuition about something. That's partly explained by this nervous system that resides in our gut, and also explains why so many of the digestive problems that people suffer with today, like IBS for example, are often triggered and exacerbated by stress. You know, a lot of people feel stress in their stomachs, and it can manifest with all sorts of different digestive symptoms, from constipation to digestive discomfort, for example. So this enteric nervous system, this second brain, interestingly enough, most of the messages that go between the gut and our actual central nervous system are going from the gut and upwards to the brain, and not the other way round. So our gut kind of interprets a lot of things and sends a lot of messages to our brain, which fundamentally means if your gut isn't happy, it's going to affect your mood and your mental well-being. And that's why, you know, a majority of the people who suffer with IBS also suffer with anxiety. So another really important, hugely important role of the digestive tract is that it is the home of our microbiome. Now the microbiome is an intelligent bacterial ecosystem that resides in our gut that literally is full of trillions of microorganisms, many of them beneficial bacteria that actually support our health in really clever ways. So one of the ways that this microbiome, these intelligent bacteria, support our health is they actually communicate with our immune system. And the way they do this is that the majority of our immune cells, about approximately 70% of our immune cells, actually reside in our gut. And the beneficial gut bacteria actually communicate with these immune cells and send messages to our immune system, so that it can protect us and filter out potentially harmful toxins and bacteria that could harm us and cause disease. Another way in which these beneficial bacteria, this microbiome, protects us is it actually alters the pH of our digestive tract, making it more acidic, which makes it less of a place that bacteria, bad bacteria, can thrive and cause us harm. Another way in which the microbiome helps us is it actually manufactures nutrients on our behalf. So it makes some B vitamins, for example, which are super important for cognition and memory and focus. And it also helps to manufacture vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting. The other things that the microbiome does that are super important is helps to actually regulate our weight, helps us to maintain a healthy weight if we have the right kind of beneficial strains of bacteria in our gut, and it also influences the rate at which we age. So as you can see, the gut does much more than just break down food and absorb nutrients and eliminate waste products. It actually affects our immune system, our mood. It even manufactures serotonin, which is obviously the happy neurotransmitter, which is the antidepressant neurotransmitter. So in future videos, I'm going to be talking a lot more about digestive health and how we can actually optimize our digestive health through foods and natural supplements. So watch out for those videos soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.